Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup dumplings. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including about 2 cups of finely chopped vegetables like cabbage and mushrooms, along with good quality dumpling wrappers. Next, we will prepare a flavorful, savory vegetable broth that will become the delicious soup inside each dumpling. Finally, I will guide you through the process of expertly folding and steaming your homemade creations to perfection. Creating the perfect filling is crucial for delicious soup dumplings. Begin by finely chopping about 1½ cups of your chosen vegetables, such as napa cabbage, carrots, and shiitake mushrooms. Next, combine these vegetables with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, and a pinch of white pepper. Mix everything thoroughly. Finally, chill this vegetable mixture for at least 30 minutes. This helps the flavors meld and makes it easier to work with. Now for the exciting part, assembling your soup dumplings. Take 1 dumpling wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of your chilled vegetable filling in the center. Crucially, add 1 tablespoon of your prepared vegetable broth directly onto the filling. Carefully fold the wrapper into a pleated sealed pouch, ensuring you create at least 10 pleats for a classic look. It is vital that all edges are tightly sealed to prevent any of that delicious soup from leaking out during cooking. To cook your beautiful soup dumplings, arrange them in a steamer basket, ensuring they do not touch each other. Steam them for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the wrappers appear translucent and the filling is cooked through. Once steamed, serve your delicious soup dumplings immediately. They are best enjoyed hot with a savory dipping sauce, perhaps made with rice vinegar and chili oil. For more great cooking tips and other deals, check the description below and consider a new e-reader for all your recipe reading and culinary inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.